Serbia is ranked at number 25 in the FIFA Coca-Cola World Rankings. The national team is nicknamed the Orlovi, which translates to the Eagles in English. They are considered by FIFA and UEFA to be the only official successor of both the Yugoslavia and the Serbia and Montenegro national teams, and therefore the inheritors of all the records of those defunct nations. And to be honest, that region has a rich history in international football. Serbia has a quality squad. Dusan Tadic, Aleksandar Mitrovic, and Sergej Milinkovic-Savic are some of the names that jump off the team sheet. Tadic plays mainly down the left wing for his club Ajax. This season he has 14 goals and 17 assists. Milinkovic-Savic has 8 goals and 9 assists for Roma this season. And even though Mitrovic only managed 3 goals and 3 assists for Fulham in the EPL, he is Serbia's all-time leading goal scorer and possesses a threat from crosses and set pieces with his size and physical play. Let's look at recent form. Of the last 10 matches they have played, they won 3, drew 5 and lost 2, including back-to-back 0-0 draws with Dominican Republic and Panama, both of which are CONCACAF teams. This happened as recently as January 2021. But we must also consider that they did not field their strongest team in either game. Another thing to consider is that on the 3rd of March 2021, Dragan Stojkovic was appointed as the new manager of the Serbia national football team. Since then, the team has played 3 matches, winning 2 and getting 1 draw. All 3 matches were UEFA World Cup qualifiers. Let's take a look at the stats from those games. Matches played 3, goals scored 7, goals conceded 5, assists 7. Alright, in attacking, goals per game, they averaged 2.3, goal conversion rate 19%, penalty goals 0, free kick goals 0, goals from inside the box 5 from 34 attempts, goals from outside the box 2 from 14 attempts. Left foot goals 2, right foot goals 3, headed goals 2. Big chances per game 1.7, big chances missed per game 0.7, total shots per game 12, shots on target per game 5.3, shots off target per game 6.7, successful dribbles per game 9.0, corners per game 7.7, they've hit the woodwork 0 times, counter attacks 2. Ball possession is at 55.3%. Accurate passes per game 423 at 83.7%. Accurate passes in their own half 220 at 89.7%. Accurate passes in the opposition half 211 at 74.9%. Accurate long balls 31.7 at 72.5%, and accurate crosses 8.7 at 39.4%. Now for some defending stats. There were no clean sheets across the 3 games. Goals conceded per game 1.7, almost 2. Tackles per game 12. Interceptions per game 10.7. Clearances per game 13.3. Saves per game 0.17. Errors leading to shots 1. Errors leading to goals 1. Penalties committed 1. Penalty goals conceded 1. Clearances offline 2. Last man tackles 0. Now for the other stats. Duels won per game 62.3 at 60.3%. Ground duels won 35.7 at 54.6%. Air duels won 26.7 at 70.2%. Possession loss per game 133 times. Offsides per game 2.7. Fouls per game 13.7. Yellow cards per game 1.7. And 1 red card in the 3 games.